Hello. We'll continue the first lesson, circular flow of income. We have seen households, firms and financial market in the two sectors economy. Now next concept is introduction of government. So households, firms and government. So it becomes a three sectors economy. So what is the role of government? Government acts as a producer as well as a consumer. It buys goods and services from the firms and it also makes goods and provides service to the people. So this is the role of government. So government has to do some functions to undertake all this. So you find the relationship between households and the government. The government pays to the households in the form of salary to the government employees. That is, government is hiring the factors of production, so the government is paying for those, and it is paying old age pension, and it is issuing scholarship. So these are all called transfer payments. So the government pays to the households. Then money flows back to the government from households in the form of taxes. So the government receives money too. The government spends money on households in the form of payments, that is salaries and the prices for the factors of production and old age pension, those social welfare schemes. The households also pay back to the government in the form of direct taxes, example income tax. Now we'll see between the firms and the government. Money flows from firms in the form of direct and indirect taxes. The firms are paying taxes to the government. Then money flows to the firms from the government through subsidies. So what are subsidies? It can be the raw materials at subsidized rate, lower rate, and it can be electricity at the lower rate, or it can be some funds allotment. So this is what subsidies mean. So the government is paying to the firms, as well as the government buys goods and services from the firms. So government is paying to the firms for buying the goods and services. So government is a producer and consumer. Government pays to households and firms. At the same time, money is flowing back from households to government and from firms to the government. So what are the functions of government sector? Government collects taxes from firms and households. Then government make transfer payments, that is old age pensions, or it can be any others. You can see that the unemployment allowance in some countries you find. So government is helping the people. Then government provides subsidies to the firms. The government buys the goods and services. So for that the government is making payment to the firms. Then government saves money and government borrows money too from the financial market. So this is the three sector economy.